Hello, kid. Learn A, B, C, D. A for apple, B for ball. A for apple. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for bus. C for carrot. C for car. D for donut. D for dump truck. E for egg. E for excavator. F for fish. F for fairy. G for goat. G for grass. H for horse. H for hen. I for iguana. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kite. L for lion. L for lemon. M for mango. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nose. O for ostrich. O for orange. P for parrot. P for potato. Q for queen. Q for quail. R for rose. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for swan. T for tiger. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for uniform. V for vulture. V for van. W for wolf. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Y for york. Y for yarn. Z for zip. Z for zebra. Now write 1, 2, 3. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 1, 0, 10.